is how to plot the polynomial and exponential functions in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so what you're going to see after you plot a curve fit, a trend line in Excel is going to be a quadratic form. So in this case we're looking at n, which is going to be the population as a function of t time, and you'll have a quadratic form, n of t equals at squared plus bt plus c. So a, b, and c are going to be your three coefficients here, and you'll just see those. Let's just take this, we can copy it, paste it. It'll look like this. In this case, C, let's say, is 20,000. B is 50. And A is 20. Okay, so in this case, you're going to see a trend line that looks about like something like this. You can look at it here in a little bit. You're extrapolating 60 days. So you'll have, these are the three things that the trend line is going to give you. Three coefficients. Again, A is 20, B is 50, C is 20,000. You're going to extrapolate to 60 days. So you're just going to say t equals 60. So these four variables are going to go into one equation, which is going to tell you what n is in 60 days. So if we look, I'm just going to double click here. The screen's not that great, but I've got E5, which is A, or 20, times E8 times E8, so that's t squared, which is 60, plus E6, that's B, times E8, which is t, plus E7, which is c. So that's your polynomial function. And then you'll have that number, and then you can plot it on your final plot. Now for the exponential, it's going to give you something like this, where n is a coefficient times e to the t divided by tau. So tau is going to be your time constant, and a is the only coefficient you have. Again, you're going to use t as 60, and then in this little cell, you're just going to type equals K5, which is 7,000, times the exponential function, which is K6 in this case. Let's see, maybe we've got it reversed here. 1 second. Oh yeah, let's switch these around. So your time divided by your time constant. Okay, that's pretty big. Well, the point you're going to, it's going to be, depending on how Excel expresses that, it's either going to be some multiplication or division. The sense or nonsense of this answer will tell you which of the two is correct. But let's do the polynomial and the exponential extrapolation for summary 3.